Hey everyone, welcome back to the show.
Yes, and today is day 1 of our brand new Spoken English 30 Days Challenge.
I am so excited for this one. If you are someone who understands English but struggles to speak it confidently, this series is made for you.
Exactly. And don't worry, we are not going to teach boring grammar rules here. We're just going to talk like two friends chatting over coffee, and you'll pick up English naturally by listening.
Perfect. So let's start like we always will, with a real conversation. Tell me, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was good. On Saturday, I went to my cousin's place.
Nice. I went to my cousin's place. Notice that? That's called simple past tense. We use it when an action is already completed, finished, done.
Right, and after that, I called my mother in the evening.
I called my mother. Again, simple past. See guys, most simple past verbs just add ed at the end. Called, watched, played, cooked, walked. Simple.
True, but some verbs don't follow that rule. Like yesterday, I ate pasta for dinner.
I ate pasta, not I eated. That's an irregular verb, so we have to remember its past form separately. Same with go becoming went, see becoming saw, have becoming had.
Yeah, those irregular ones take a bit of practice to remember.
True, but don't stress about memorizing a big list right now. You will naturally pick them up as we keep talking in these episodes.
Okay, now what if I want to say something didn't happen? Like, I did not watch TV that day.
Good question. That's the negative form. We use did not or didn't plus the base verb, not the past form. So it's I did not watch TV, not I did not watched.
Oh, so the did already shows past, the verb stays simple.
Exactly. Same pattern with I did not go to the market, not did not went. The did carries the past meaning, so the verb goes back to normal.
That makes it much easier actually. Just remember one rule for all negative sentences.
Exactly. And for questions?
For questions, we start with did, like did you go to the market or did you call your mother?
Did you eat pasta yesterday?
Perfect example. And again, notice the main verb eat stays in its base form, not ate, even in the question.
Okay, now what were you doing yesterday evening around 7 p.m.?
At 7 p.m., I was cooking dinner.
Interesting. I was cooking dinner. That's different from what we said earlier. This is called past continuous.
Right. Past continuous shows an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. It's not finished in one moment. It was going on, continuing.
So the structure is was or were plus verb with ing.
Exactly. I was cooking, we were talking, they were playing, she was reading.
Now I understand the difference clearly. I cooked dinner means the whole action is complete, done. But I was cooking dinner at 7 p.m. means it was happening at that exact moment. Maybe it continued for a while.
Perfect explanation. And here's something interesting. We often use both together in one sentence. Like, I was cooking dinner when my phone rang.
Oh, nice. So one action was already in progress and another action interrupted it suddenly.
Exactly. I was cooking is the ongoing action. The phone rang is the sudden, quick action that happened in between.
Let me try one. I was watching a movie when the light went off.
That's a perfect sentence. You already understand the pattern.
Correct. Now tell me about negative past continuous.
Simple, just add not after was or were, like I was not watching TV or we were not talking at that time.
And for questions?
We just move was or were to the beginning of the sentence. Were you cooking at 7 p.m. or was he sleeping when you called?
Correct. I think I've got both now. Simple past for completed actions, past continuous for actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past.
Exactly. And remember, both tenses have 3 forms: affirmative, negative, and question. Let's do a quick round to lock this in before we play our favorite game.
Sure. Give me a sentence and I'll tell you if it's simple past or past continuous.
She was reading a book.
Past continuous, action in progress at that time.
He finished his homework.
Simple past, completed action.
They were playing cricket when it started raining.
Both. Were playing is past continuous and started raining is simple past, the sudden interruption.
Perfect. You're a natural at this.
Thanks to this challenge, let's try a few more real-life examples before the game. What were you doing when I called you yesterday?
I was taking a shower when you called.
Oh no, sorry about that. And did you call me back after?
Yes, I called you back after 10 minutes.
Great, both tenses used naturally in one small conversation. This is exactly how it works in real life, not in isolated textbook examples.
Absolutely. All right, I think it's time for our favorite segment.
Yes, translation time. I'll give you Hindi sentences, you translate into English, and if there's a mistake, I'll correct it gently.
Let's go. I'm ready.
मैं कल स्कूल नहीं गया था.
I not went to school yesterday.
Almost. Remember, in negative simple past, we use did not plus the base verb. So it's I did not go to school yesterday.
Oh, right. Did not go, not went. I keep forgetting that the verb goes back to its base form after did.
That's a very common mistake. Don't worry, almost everyone makes it in the beginning. Next one, क्या तुम सुबह पढ़ रहे थे?
Are you studying in the morning?
Close, but this is asking about the past, so it should be were you studying in the morning?
Got it. Were for past continuous questions, not are.
Perfect. Next, हम बाजार जा रहे थे जब बारिश शुरू हुई.
We were going to the market when it started raining.
So close. The second part needs simple past too. Started raining, not start raining. So the full sentence is, we were going to the market when it started raining.
Right, because that's a completed and sudden action, started, while were going was already in progress before that.
Exactly. One more for today. उसने मुझे फोन नहीं किया.
He did not called me.
Very close. Remember, after did not, we use the base verb call, not called. So it's he did not call me.
Aha, yes. Did is already doing the past job. The verb doesn't need to change again. I keep forgetting that.
Exactly. You explained that better than I did just now. Last one for today. क्या वो तुम्हारे लिए खाना बना रही थी?
Was she cooking food for you?
Perfect. No mistakes this time.
Yes, I'm really getting better at this.
You really are. This is exactly how you build confidence, by practicing real everyday sentences, not just memorizing rules from a book.
Absolutely. It feels so different when you actually use the sentence instead of just reading a rule.
Alright, before we finish today's episode, let's take a few minutes to go over everything we covered nice and slow.
Sure. So today we learned two very important tenses that we use constantly in everyday conversation. The first one was simple past tense. We use this when an action is already completed, finished in the past.
For regular verbs, we simply add ed at the end. Called, watched, cooked, played, walked. But for irregular verbs, the form changes completely. Go becomes went, eat becomes ate, see becomes saw, have becomes had.
For negative sentences in simple past, we use did not or didn't plus the base verb, not the past form. So we say I did not go, I did not eat, I did not call, never did not went or did not ate.
And for questions, we begin with did, followed by the subject and then the base verb. Did you go? Did you eat? Did you call her?
The second tense we covered today was past continuous. We use this for actions that were in progress, ongoing, at a specific time in the past.
The structure is was or were plus the main verb with ing added to it. I was cooking, they were playing, she was reading, we were talking.
For negative sentences, we simply add not after was or were, like I was not cooking, we were not talking at that time.
And for questions, we just move was or were to the beginning of the sentence. Were you cooking? Was he sleeping? Were they playing?
And one more important thing we learned today, these two tenses often work together in one sentence. One action was already in progress, using past continuous, and a second sudden action interrupted it, using simple past.
Like our examples, I was cooking dinner when my phone rang, or we were going to the market when it started raining.
This combination is extremely useful because it's exactly how we naturally tell stories and describe past events in real conversations.
Now it's your turn to practice. In the comments below, write two sentences. First, using simple past, tell us something you did yesterday. Second, using past continuous, tell us what you were doing at a specific time yesterday, like at 8 p.m. or in the morning.
And if you're feeling confident, try combining both in one sentence, just like we practiced today. For example, I was watching TV when my friend called me.
We'll be reading your comments and replying to as many as we can, so don't feel shy. Go ahead and write your sentences below. Mistakes are completely okay. That's how we all learn.
That's it for day 1 of our 30 days challenge. Tomorrow, we're moving on to simple present and present continuous, how to talk about your daily routine and what's happening right now in this very moment.
So make sure you are subscribed and your notifications are turned on because you really don't want to miss a single day of this challenge.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Keep practicing, keep speaking. That's the only way forward. Bye for now.